Morning dear students, welcome to your drawing lecture. So students, in the last lecture we saw that how we can do a geometrical shape on top of each other. Yes or no? Like first we did a square, and inside that square we did different types of shapes like square, circle, rectangle, triangle. Yes or no? Yes. And in the last lecture, I told you that in the next lecture, we will see how we can color our different types of geometrical shapes. So students, in our today's lecture, we are going to color those geometrical shapes which we have done in our last lecture. So students, as you all can see, this was our drawing which we did in our last lecture. Yes or no? Yes. So today we are going to color it. So for coloring this, we will see what materials we will need. Okay? Pad, your drawing paper, drawing book which is already having this drawing on it. Colors, bowls, your color dish, sketch pen or marker. Now here students, we will not need a pencil or scale. Why? Because in our first lecture only we have done our border. Yes or no? We have written a topic name also. The different shapes which we are going to do with pencil, that also we have done in our last lecture. Yes. So in today's lecture, we are just going to do coloring part. Okay. So now we will start with a coloring part. And you will see how I am coloring it. Because after coloring, we should be sure that we can recognize the shape. Okay. Means if you are coloring the square, after done with your coloring, you all can find it that this is a square, this is a triangle, this is a circle, this is a rectangle. So see how I am coloring, and the way I am coloring, you will also follow me. As you will follow me, at the end we will get a beautiful geometrical shape coloring. Okay. So now it's time to start with the coloring part. Students, take as much water you will need. Just don't waste your water. So students, the first color I am going to take is a dark green color. Okay. With the help of the water, we will take a green color and we will start applying it on our shapes. Okay. If we will need more color, we will take again. But for starting, take little only. So student, done taking out with a green part, green color. Now we will start applying a green color. Okay. The green color which I have taken, I will start applying it in a square. Okay. The smallest square, not the bigger square. With the help of your brush, we will start applying it. Make sure that it should not go out of the line. Don't take your this green color in the other shape. Slowly color it, because at the corner it may go in the other shape. So at the corner be careful. Just like this. Okay? Complete it properly from all the edges. Okay? If your dark green color is little bit light, apply another one layer. See, and make sure students you are using a thin brush just like this. If you are using a thicker brush, with the help of the water make it little thin. You can use water, with the help of the water you can press the end. Okay. Now the same green color we are going to use again. Where we are going to use? Yes, we are going to use it in the second square. See students, I am having a thinner brush, so it's very easy for me to color it. If you will also use a thinner brush, it will be easy to your to color at the smaller part. The same green color I am going to use in my triangle also. It's not compulsory that you have to use a same color in the same shape. You can use it in the different shape also. Be very careful at the end, because it may go out of the line. So be very careful. See? The same green color at this circle have the part also. See? Done with a green color. Now afterwards we will see if we will need a green color, we will apply some other wear, or else we will apply some other color. Make sure after using one color you will wash your brush properly in the clean water. Now it's time for second color. And for second color, I'm going to use lemon yellow color. Okay, there are two types of yellow color. I'm going to use yellow lemon color. With the help of the water, I'm going to take few drops in my color dish and I'm going to take out the color. Two to three drops maximum you will need for mixing your color. See, we got our yellow color also. Okay, now we will start applying this yellow color also. Okay. Make sure you will not touch your hand on the paper, because if you will touch it, your color may come on your hand. So keep your hand little bit up and you can shift your paper like this and you can start applying the color. Now I am going to apply this color on the triangle part. Just like this. And the same color we are going to apply on some other shade. Like I am going to apply this same shade on a rectangle. Be very careful at the end part because the color should not go out. Just like this. Okay, the same color we are going to apply in here also. Make sure you are taking the same color for different shapes. Means, say as I have used green color in many shapes, yes or no, like that only you will take the same color for different shapes. See, now we will take some other color. The other color which I am going to take is orange color. Make sure after using any color you will wash your brush properly. Now start applying this orange color also. With the help of the thin brush, you can apply color very easily. And I told you, if you don't have a thin brush, you can make a thicker brush. With the help of the water, you can make it little thinner. Just complete it like this. See, the same color we are going to use. Done with this much. Now we are going to use light green color. Okay. With the help of the water, we will remove the color and we will start applying. Make sure that both the colors are not looking similar. The light green color should look light green only and the dark green should look dark green only. Now start applying this color. See students, you all can see the difference of light green color and dark green color. Yes or no? You all can see the difference or no? Like this only you have to do it. Done with a light green color also. Now we will take some other color. Now I am going to use red color. Okay. Now start applying the red color also. See, done applying this color. Now we will use this some color on the other something also. Just like this. The color should not get mixed, so be careful at the other color or other shades. See students, in between there are some gap also. Why? Because there were line is getting touched. So there also we will fill the color. Now students, done with our red color also. Now we will take blue color. Okay. And now we will start applying the blue color. The same blue color we will apply on the other side also. See, the same way there are many gaps in between, you all can apply the color. Just like this. Done with this much. Now I'm going to take brown color for remaining the other gaps. Okay. And for the outer side I'm going to apply purple color. Before that, make sure you're washing your brush properly. And if your dish is completed with the color, wash your dish and use it again. See, I have washed my dish and I have taken. Now it's time for brown color. Brown color we will need only little. So I have taken only one drop of the water. See, now we will start giving brown color in the between. If you all want, you all can give a dark color also, or else you all can give light color also. If you all want to give dark color, from directly from the bottle of the color you all can start applying. And if you all want light color, you all can take water in your dish and you all can remove the color. With the help of your brush, you all can start applying it. See, now I am going to fill all the gaps which are remaining, and I told you all for the rest body I am going to use purple color. You all can turn the paper as you all want to color it. Fill the smallest gap which are remaining in your shapes. See how I am filling the gaps. Like that only you have to fill the gaps. Now see students, a geometrical shape inside part is done. Now it's time to give color to the outer part of the shapes. Okay, now it's time to give color to the big box, big square. For that I am going to use purple color, and I am going to take 3 to 4 drops of my water, and I am going to use purple color. With the help of the brush, mix it properly, and now we will start giving a purple color. Students, as you all can see, I have kept all the shades lighter. If you all want, you all can give darker shade also, or else you all can give lighter shade also. Now students, our color must be wet. So if you are doing color from the upper side, just turn your paper and start doing the color. So your hand will not touch the wet color which is there inside. The same way we are going to complete coloring a square. Okay, just like this. Make sure your color is not going out and also not going in the different color. Just complete the box with the help of the purple color. See students, we are done with the coloring part. Now with the help of the sketch pen, we will give its border. Okay? See students, I have given border from the outer side also and from the inner side also. So students, like this only you will color your shapes and you will send me your homework. When you will send your homework, you will write your full name, your standard, your division. Okay? And you have to do the way I have done. Okay students? Thank you.